Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I'm here to show you guys how I achieve this pretty much flawless application and unit. This is a wig by Wig Dealer, and this is the Kelsey, and it is a full lace wig, y'all, and it is their Mongolian Coarse Yaki Straight, and it is custom colored. I really like this unit, and it did come in this really nice box. Wig Dealer has a lot of different wigs and hair that you can check out on their website, so that link is in the description. And the box had a really cute note here on it, which is really cute, with their social media information. And it did come with this hanger to, of course, hang your wig when you are not using it. And of course, I love a nice wig sleeve to keep my wig nice and secure, you know. And my wig did come with the argan oil shampoo and their argan oil conditioner that I will use to maintain this wig. And it also did come with the thermal silkening spray. Now, I don't know if this will come with everyone's package. It did come with mine though, because I'm working with the company. Okay, so this is the texture of the wig straight out the box, and I've worked with this company before, and I've always been able to just wear the hair straight out the box. Like, it's just so good. I didn't receive any shedding, kind of like testing out the hair right now. There was no smell, no nothing. So I'm very happy with the packaging and how the wig came. But of course, you have to style it when, you know, you first get it. And they did sew in an elastic band. So I'm like, yes. And it does have adjustable straps in the back, and it does have some combs for extra security at the nape. So I do enjoy that. And the knots are indeed bleached. Okay, so this allows you to have a really nice natural look. And the fact that the elastic band is in here, your wig can lay super flat and you can go glueless. So the hairline is pre-plucked, which I really appreciate, because I do not like plucking. Okay, so I don't really have to do much, but of course you can do a little here and there to get it even more custom for your liking. But I didn't have to do that because I didn't have to. I am going to use my Holy Grail flat iron. I've had this flat iron for about 7 years. This is a KQC flat iron. And I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on the wig head. And this is 20 inches. There is no layers to this wig. The front is laced, but you can part this wig pretty much anywhere and wear a really nice natural look if you want to part it everywhere. So I did spray the silkening spray all over the wig. And this wig, the hair is so soft. I've never had Mongolian Coarse Yaki hair. And the spray smells good, okay? I really enjoy these textures because it gives more of a natural look. It looks like relaxed hair, or like pressed out natural hair. So I do section off the wig in sections to flat iron the hair. This is a 150 density wig, so I'm gonna take smaller sections to kind of like press out the hair to give it a straighter look. And you can wear this many different ways. This will be super dope with some flexi rods, roller sets. You can curl it, you can do pretty much anything with it, but I'm going to wear it straight because it's just so much easier for my life. I'll just flat iron, place it on a wig head, and then keep it moving and put it on, slap it on, and go. So this is how I flat iron pretty much all my wigs, especially ones that have more texture and I want to straighten it out. I always forget the name of this method. It never fails me. The follow method, pass method. I use a comb and my flat iron on 410 degrees. Spray some heat protectant on each section in small sections. Flat iron straight on through and take my time. And I'm only doing one pass. This hair only required one pass, and the spray is really nice and lightweight, and it smells really good. And I really like that this wig doesn't have a high silky shiny look. I really gravitate towards wigs, especially recent months, that don't have a high gloss shine to it, because I feel like it looks way more natural. So I really love these textured wigs that you can flat iron and wear flexi rod and, you know, wanded. So this is the results. This is how straight the hair gets. It's super lightweight and it smells really good. And I really love these this kind of honey highlights in here, like these like streaks. So that's really cute for the fall, winter, where you want to still have some color but not be fully blonde, because in the fall months I tend to go darker with wigs. In the summer I like to be blonde. So I'm just going to continue flat ironing the hair, taking my time, and as you can see, it has a really nice natural shine. It's not that high gloss silky look, but it is still silky at the same time. So yeah, there are no split ends with this hair. It is full from lace to end, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the front. And doing this in small sections just gives me a flawless look to where I don't have to touch up the wig, until I wash it. So when I do flat iron my wigs like this, that's it, okay? That is it, and that is all. So I really love that the hairline is pre-plugged. It's just gonna be so like everything, because I don't have to do anything to this. Just put it on and go. And you can part this wig anywhere. That's what I'm really excited about too. You can part it anywhere, and it looks really good. So I'm just going to continue doing that, making sure it's, smooth out. And I'm getting to the top here. And sometimes, like at the top near the parting, it can be a little bit bumpy. But for this wig, I kind of want to have a little more volume versus the flat top look that I normally do. So to get that kind of extra wave or bump out of the top, I'm going to take small pieces. And you're going to see right there, take a little piece and then put my flat iron at the base and then pull back like that, and you get it nice and flat. Because normally I take the flat iron and like flat iron the whole lace and it gets it really flat, but I kind of don't want that look for this. So, you take that little piece back there. Sometimes that can give you that potato look at the back, like that hump look. So you want to make sure you get that nice and flat. So as you can see, everything's flat iron. It looks super natural. It really looks like relaxed hair or pressed out hair. Super bomb, smells so good, and it's really soft. Being that I put the silkening spray on each section, it has so much body and nice natural luster to it. It's so soft. Love it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on now. That's what we're about to do. Put it on. So I did use a wig cap that is close to my skin tone because the lace is nice and pre-plucked. So I'm just going to put that on. I always put the elastic band on the back of my nape first and then pull the wig down. And boy, this thing is secure. I definitely love that because I didn't have to worry about putting my own in there. And sometimes you can misjudge how much elastic you need, and this was the perfect amount. So it's stuck really nice on there. It's sewn really nice on there as far as elastic band, and it's giving me a really nice flat flawless look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off because I decided to cut the lace off with it on, so I can kind of see how much lace I need to cut off. And I tend to leave a little more lace on my wigs for wear purposes, because sometimes when you wash and wear your wigs a lot, because I have a couple of wigs that I rotate a lot, and the lace tends to wear out with just natural wear and tear. So if I cut too much lace off in the beginning, I'm not going to have any to kind of cut off later on. Sometimes the lace gets frayed and you need to trim off some lace here and there. So that's why I leave a little bit more towards the front. Okay, so yes, look, you can part it anywhere. It looks super natural. Okay, everything. So that's on, and I definitely can go glueless, but I am not today because I want to really see how laid I can get it. I am new to gluing my wigs down. I do not glue them down often. When I do go out, I only kind of put a small amount of glue in the very middle top of my lace. That's the middle is probably all I do normally, but I'm gonna go ahead and glue down the whole perimeter, just so I can show you guys how nice this wig is. And for me, I want to see like, ooh, how can I make this work for me? And it's working. So I do use the Nye Adhesive, and you can get this pretty much anywhere. Amazon. I get mine from Nigel's Beauty Emporium. And I really like that the brush comes with it. And you just put on a small layer. You don't need a lot of this. A little does go a long way, and it lasts, okay? And it doesn't move, okay? It doesn't move. I'm not sure how it does in water. I know someone asked that in a previous video. I'm not sure. And I use another wig cap just to press in the lace that has the glue on it. I don't use my fingers because sometimes the oils from my fingers can mess with the glue a little bit. And I learned this trick from Kaya Wright. When she was applying my wig, she did use this method to make the lace kind of melt in. And this lace, I believe, is a light brown lace. So this is kind of like a universal lace that comes on their wigs. So to make things blend just a little bit more, I'm going to use my foundation that I had on for the day. And it's the Studio Fix Fluid. And my color is NC50. And I'm using a concealer brush just to kind of like rub that on top of the lace that's visible. And of course, lace is lace. It's an illusion. So you have to kind of make sure that you do the best that you can to get your lace to look right. I'm not a lace wig professional, okay? Just a regular girl that's learning more and more about lace as our lace wigs advance and become more fly over the years. So you can do baby hair with this, but I'm not. I'm gonna use some Vonte hair silk, and this is a kind of like a spray spritzer, and I'm just gonna use this to lay any flyaways. I didn't have too many, but I kind of always do this as a finishing touch with my wigs. And I'm gonna put this on the hairline here just to kind of like, you know, brush that back. It's kind of how I would wear my relaxed hair in the days. It was parted in the middle, but it wouldn't be like flat down. Have a little volume at the top. And this looks super natural. This is one of the better wigs that I have, that I can honestly say this is one of the better wigs. And this is, if I am completely correct, a black owned company. So they know. So I do need to pull my wig cap down. It did slide back. So make sure if you do have this wig, pull your wig cap down, girl. Okay. So yes. I really love this wig. It feels really good. I love the color, but I do believe later on I am going to add a few more highlights to the top of my hair just to kind of frame my face with some more golden highlights. And I am going to get this layered. So this is all completely one length right now, and it is 20 inches. Now I do like this look, but I kind of want some layers for when I want to pop some curls in it and things of that nature. But this is life, okay? And I'm not just saying this just to say it. I have never had any complaints from this company, and it's just bomb, okay? It's just everything. And I can tuck it behind my ear and everything like this. And you know, I feel confident that I could wear this lace out and not feel a way about it, like, oh, can y'all see my lace, whatever. So all information about this company is down in the description, you guys. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, and check out my past 2 wig videos featuring this company. Click here to watch more.